Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Lisa from Blackpink in her iconic shut-down music video outfit, transforming her into our signature cartoon style. Grab your pencil, get comfy, and let's start sketching. And remember, if any part feels tricky, pause the video, take your time, and continue when you're ready. Drawing is about rhythm, not rushing. Start with the eyes, large, expressive, and slightly elongated. Emphasize the upper lash line and add full, defined lashes to enhance her charismatic stage presence. Lisa's full name is Lalisa Manoban. She was born in Thailand on March 27, 1997. She is the only non-Korean member of Blackpink. Now draw a small, delicate nose with soft structure. In our style, we'll later add a subtle pink tone to give it warmth and personality. Sketch the lips slightly parted, full and defined, creating that confident model expression, poised, powerful, and camera-ready. Don't forget the small beauty mark near her left eye, a signature detail that adds authenticity. Add softly arched brows, balanced and elegant, framing the eyes without overpowering her delicate features. Construct a rounded, soft face shape. Lisa has gentle contours that translate beautifully into a stylized cartoon form. Draw the hair straight and flowing down to her back, covering the ears. Keep the silhouette smooth and sleek. Her hair is black, but we'll add subtle blue highlights during coloring. Blackpink debuted in 2016 under YG Entertainment. The group consists of 4 members: Jisoo, Jennie, Rosie, and Lisa. Add layered bangs that fall across the forehead, slightly textured and grazing the eyebrows. Shut Down was released in 2022 as the lead single from the album Born Pink. Sketch a long, elegant neck to support the posture of the pose. Create a slim, delicate torso with subtle curves, maintaining a natural and graceful silhouette. Draw the light blue cropped puffer vest with volume and padded sections, keeping it open in the front. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Also, check out the playlist with the other Blackpink members. Just click the card above. I'll leave it right there for you. And tell me in the comments, which idol would you like to see transformed into cartoon next? Add layered necklaces resting naturally along the neckline. Underneath, sketch a simple cropped top that will later be colored white, keeping the lines clean and minimal. Shape the rounded hip line as she shifts her weight to one side. Include the visible white shorts waistband underneath, the pink belt, and the chain detail on the side. Blackpink's fandom name is Blink, a mix of black and pink. Begin the asymmetrical denim skirt, shorter on the right thigh. On the left side, extend the skirt downward into a flowing, elongated panel, like a side tail moving with the choreography. Add the metal ring detail at the tip. Draw the left leg long and elegant, slightly bent at the knee for that dance posture. Lisa is known as the main dancer of the group. She is fluent in Thai, Korean, and English. She debuted as a solo artist in 2021 with the single album Lalisa. The song Money became a global hit and charted internationally. Sketch the caramel combat boot with a high platform heel. Let a bit of the short sock appear at the top. Mirror the same proportions on the right leg, maintaining balance and symmetry. The boot follows the same structure and detailing. Lisa has broken multiple records for social media influence among K-pop idols. K-pop idols often train for several years before debuting. Lisa trained for about 5 years. She was the first foreign trainee accepted by YG Entertainment. Blackpink has headlined major international festivals like Coachella. K-pop combines music, fashion, choreography, and strong visual concepts, which is why outfits like this one are so iconic. Draw the left arm long and stylized, slim but strong, no sleeves. Add the bracelet. The hand is closed, wrist slightly turned outward in the shutdown choreography stance. Repeat similar proportions for the right arm, also with a bracelet and closed hand, maintaining the dance energy. Main colors include black hair with subtle blue highlights during coloring, white top, light blue vest and denim skirt, pink belt, metallic chain details, and caramel boots. But remember, you can color your artwork however you like. Creativity has no limits. And here's our Lisa, stylized and full of stage attitude. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.